So now come to the application. Here I will show you how to add the multiple columns and also multiple filters to our application. So here already added the three columns. Now I will show you how to add some more columns. Sorry. For that what we have to do is right click and select the open guided development. Once you select it here, then go to as usual edit and add column within the list report. Yes, here we have an option. So then again go to start guide. Here we have to choose the entity type, product, then we have to add the columns. If you see here, once you select the entity type, it will show whatever the existing columns we have already created by using annotation. That things you can see here. Now what I will do, I will add two more columns. See, once I click on add column, defaultly one more layer is created. For that, I will choose whatever property you want to bind. What I will choose is I'll create a unit price. If I want to add one more column, again you can select it here, down. Here if you see already four columns are there. Now I'm adding one more column, fifth column. Like this we can. Here I will choose units in stock, units in stock. That's it. Then once it's done, go to and click on the snippet button. Once you click on this, automatically the annotation file will be generated. Then if you go to your application, whatever the columns I define, that things will generate automatically. So application loading successfully. Like this way, we can add the multiple columns. Yes. Initially, it will take time to load the application. So guys, now you guys to know, right, how to add the columns. So now I will show you how to add the adapt filters. Here already two filters are there. If I want to add one more filter, we can add that. For that what we have to do is go back here. Instead of selecting the table, I will select the filter fields. So once I select this here, it will show you the structure in which way the data will display. Then start guide. Click on next. Again entity type. Here instead of columns, we will add the fields. Which field you want to filter. That field parameter we have to select it here. But please remember whatever data maintained in the table, that fields only you have to select it here. That data only we can filter. Then once you select the filter property, sorry, all maybe instead of maintaining new one, I had changed the existing one itself. Selecting insert snippet. Then once the code will successful, then go to your application and test the data. So like this way we can add the filters or columns, or if you want to add the fragments, all the things we can do it here. See, I'll clear this search field so you can see the multiple option whatever you have now. See, if you want to use indicators, value helps, all the things. So same way, if you want to do some modifications to your section, that things also you can do our object page. See, unit price. Now what I will do is I will filter the data. For example, within the unit price 39 is there, right? I want to filter the data 39. Click on that. See here, the 39 data is filtered. So if I click on this navigation, here we have only one product name. If you want to add same changes to this object page also, we can add. Or if you want to add a section, that things also you can add. What I will do is I will add a new section. Start guide. Once you added a new section, again it will ask the entity type. Here, why I'm choosing every time product means I want to see the details of the product only, right? This is a navigation page. Based on that, I selected that. Okay, so this is the product name or ID and annotation path and line item identification group where you want to use that all things it will ask now. So if I select the line item, right, based on the line item, it will create the path and it will provide you the structure. So if I want to display more, for example, what I will do is the property path, same thing, I will copy it and paste it instead of product name, the data will find. So insert. Once you click on that insert snippet, the code will generate that XML annotation file will modify automatically once it is successful. Then see here the details, whatever the facts details section, everything here you can see. So once you reload the application, go back to your launchpad screen, then you can run it. So guys, like this way we can add, see here, this thing added now. Within this, if you want to add the table, we can do that. How to do that is same way. Here, added the section. Within this, if you want to add the tables, value help, buttons, everything you can add it here. Based on that, if you want to navigate the applications from one place to another place, that thing also you want to do that. So guys, now you guys to know, right, how to create and multiple columns and how to apply filters, everything. So based on your structure, the annotation file will modify automatically. So if you think if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.